finished tag and the leftover milk paint. I will apply 2 coats of the milk paint to both sides of the tag, drying both coats with the heat gun to create a crackly, crazing finish. I want to create a farmhouse style tag using the IOD mercantile stamp. I've had this stamp for a while, but this is the first time I'm actually using it, so I need to season the stamp by lightly sanding the factory finish from the surface. I will sand in one direction and then again in the other direction. I'm inking up the stamp with the IOD ink in stone gray. If I had to do this over again, I would use the black ink because this stone gray is very light against the silhouette colored milk paint. Once I've stamped the tag, I'll quickly wipe off the excess ink using a baby wipe. I am so excited about this new IOD mold Chanticleer. I am using the Alumilite fast cast resin in black to create a resin mold. This is a 1-to-1 mixture of part A and part B. Once you mix the 2 components together, you have about 20 seconds to mix it thoroughly and another minute to pour it into the mold before the chemical reaction starts and it sets up. Please be sure to follow all safety recommendations on the packaging when using this product. It takes about 10 minutes to fully set up and then you can pop it from the mold. Doesn't that look beautiful? I want to give this rooster some color and shimmer. I find the mica powders by Redesign with Prima mixed with some DIY liquid patina is the perfect combination. You can use the colors in the containers as they are, or you can mix them to create custom colors, and the shimmer is exactly what I want for this rooster to shine. You can use the liquid patina or any other brush-on type of top coat to mix with these mica powders. The patina dries quickly and we are ready to adhere the rooster to the tag. I am using a mix of Titebond Quick and Thick with Stick Fast CA glue in a thick formula. I line up the bottom of the tag with the bottom of the mold so this has a base thick enough to stand on its own in a tiered tray or a vignette. We still need to seal the milk paint, and you can use any type of sealer you want. I'm using the DIY clear wax followed up with the Howard's Chalk-Tique wax in dark. This is going to bring out the chippy goodness of the milk paint. Unfortunately, the dark wax makes the stone gray ink in the stamp disappear, and that is why I wish I would have used the black ink on the stamp. I added a coordinating color ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and I think this little tag would be perfect for a farmhouse style tiered tray or vignette. I could see this in a farmhouse kitchen with a cutting board, a gorgeous ironstone pitcher, and maybe a vintage cookbook. Let me know in the comments how you would style this beautiful tag.